So I thought it would be fun to go back and look at some of the different things I have grown in the GreenStalk system. I have grown just all kinds of herbs and vegetables organically. They don't have pesticides on them. And this little system was given to me by GreenStalk about 2 years ago. It's a 5-tier system. It has 30 pockets in it. So here's a way to grow a lot of vegetables and herbs in a very small space. Up until I was given this, I had to have a container for every plant, and that takes up a lot of horizontal space. Well, this is vertical, it's attractive, and what I really like about it too is that when you water it, you do it from the top, and it has a drip irrigation which goes all the way down through each tier, so it makes it super easy to water. And then they added something last year called a mover, which is an optional accessory. You can put that on the bottom and just wheel it around. Let's say you're cleaning your deck and you need to clean around it, well, you can just move it out of the way. So I've mentioned I've grown all kind of greens, like turnip greens. I've grown all different types of lettuces, leaf cabbages. Nasturtiums grow great in it. Last year I grew fennel in it for the first time. I wanted to give it a try, and it grew great. I made a beautiful little salad with some other things from my garden. Now every year I do clean out the GreenStalk and refresh the potting soil. I like to give it some more compost, and I also like to add some other soil amendments like vermiculite. I tried growing bok choy, and as you can see, these were just beautiful. I made all kinds of lovely things with the bok choy. I've grown many different types of herbs such as cilantro, basil, scallions, and here is some baby Swiss chard. I grew some little tiny tomatoes. These are called currant tomatoes, and you could probably grow bigger tomatoes too, but I like these for container gardening. They're just really tiny. They're sweet. They're like little tomato berries, and I use them in a little shrimp salad that I prepared with some fried green tomatoes. I transplanted one of my extra pepper plants into one of the pockets, and I think I harvested about 1 quart of little small chilies. So I gave that a try, and those worked out great. These were little lemon drop peppers. Now they did need a little bit of support. I just put them on my top of my deck there so they wouldn't break off. And I just smoked them with some other peppers and made some little chili powder. So I really enjoy practicing succession planting in my garden. And I'll show you how I do it. And the GreenStalk system is perfect for that because I have 30 pockets, and I can have different plants at different stages of growth at all times. So whenever I go out to my deck, and I always have something there that's ready for harvest. So for example here, I had just put seeds in some of the pockets, and some of the pockets I just cut down and harvested everything. And then some of the other plants were at mid-stage growth, like 3 or 4 weeks growth. But as you can see, there's always something here to harvest, and I planted all of these from seed. So it really doesn't get much easier than that. And it's really easy to assemble also. But I showed you that in my original review, and I showed you how to plant everything. So I'll make sure to leave a link up here in the corner for that. So they have a promotion this month. They are including a mover with each order of a GreenStalk. So as I explained, that makes it really easy to move your vertical system around so that you can get adequate sunlight, or maybe if you need to clean something up. So I'm now a GreenStalk affiliate, which is great because I will get a little kickback for everyone who orders a GreenStalk, and of course that will help me make more videos. And also you will get $10 off of a GreenStalk when you order through my link below. And you also need to include Rainbow Gardens when you check out. Also, when you check out, if you're ordering a GreenStalk in the month of April, put that mover in your cart. You won't be charged for it, but you won't get it if you don't put it in your cart, okay? And if you live in the U.S., you get free shipping too. I think it's about $24.99 to Canada. So there you go. If you have any questions, please leave them below the video. I'll be more than happy to help you. And happy gardening, and y'all have a beautiful day.